Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, today I will be discussing how to calculate the resistor value using the color code. So let's get started. So here I am considering one resistor which has 4 band. So band is like how many colors are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 4 band resistor. Each color having one digit. So for example, black has 0, brown 1, red 2, orange 3, yellow 4, green 5, blue 6, violet 7, grey 8, white 9. Now we'll calculate how to find the resistor value using this color code. So here the question is, from which side we have to start, from left side or right side. For that we have to see which color has more gap. Like for example, from here to here and from here to here same distance, from here to here and from here to here same distance, but from here to here not same, it is more distance. So that means we have to consider this is right and this is left, and we have to start counting from left to right. So for example, like so first color will be the digit, second color will be the digit, third will be the multiplier. Means here the last one is golden, so you have to remember that last one will be the tolerance and the last second will be the multiplier. Now what is the digit of brown? So first color is brown, so brown means 1. Here I put 1 here because of brown. The second color is black, black means 0, I put 0 here. Third will be the multiplier. So what is the color of what is the third color? Red. So what is the multiplier of red? 10 to the power 2. So I put here 10 to the power 2. So now 10 into what is the value of 10 to the power 2? Equal to 100. Then we have to multiply 10 into 100 equal to 1000 ohm. Now we have found the what is the value of resistor? It is 1000 ohm. Now what is the meaning of golden? So gold means like 5% tolerance. So 5% tolerance means, what is the 5% of 1000? The 5% of 1000 is 50. So how is it 50? We will calculate 1000 into 5 equal to divided by 100. So it will be the 50. So the tolerance of this resistor is 50. So 50 means like we can it's plus minus 50. So we have to subtract 50 from this value, and also we have to add 50 to this value. So sometimes we don't get the exact value. So like if it is if you need a 1000 ohm resistor, but if you don't get the exact value, so we can consider from 950 to 1050 ohms, we can consider the any value. So that is the meaning of tolerance. Now the question is, how will you remember this chart? So I have one trick here. The trick is like BBROY. So you just think BB Roy, one person name. So BB Roy, one person name, and he is a good boy, and also he has very good wife. So how will you remember BB Roy? good boy, very good wife. So B means keep in your mind that first B will be the black and second B will be the brown. And here first goat will be the green and second goat will be the gray. So these things you have to keep in your mind. So here I am considering one more resistor. This is also 4-band resistor. 4 colors are there, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the color of this resistor? First color is brown, second is black, third is orange, and the last one is gold. So now how will you calculate? The first color is brown, so brown means 1, so we put 1 here. The second is black, so black means 0, we put 0 here. And the last, and you should keep in mind that the last second will always be the multiplier and the last will be the tolerance. So first, second, third will be the multiplier. What is the multiplier of orange? 10 to the power 3. 10 to the power 3, so equal to 10 into 10 to the power 3 means 1000. Then multiply 10 into 1000 equal to 10,000. And what is the tolerance of this resistor? What is the tolerance of gold? 5%. 5% means what is the 5% of 10? So here the value is large. So if it is more than 1000, then we have to divide by 1000 so that it will convert to kilo ohm. So now we'll divide 10,000 divided by 1000 equal to 10 kilo ohm. Now it is converted to kilo ohm. Ohm to kilo ohm. Now this resistor value is 10 kilo ohm with plus minus 5% tolerance. Now what is the 5%? What is the value of this tolerance? So what is the 5% of 10 kilo ohm? 10 into 5 equal to divided by 100. So 5% of 10 kilo ohm is 0.5. So we can subtract 0.5 from 10 kilo ohm. So after subtraction it will become 9.5. So also we can add 0.5 to 10 kilo ohm. So after adding it will be the 10.5 kilo ohm. So now we can use any value between 9.5 kilo ohm to 10 kilo ohm if you don't get the exact 10 kilo ohm resistor. Here I am considering one more resistor. It is a 4-band resistor. 1, 2, 3, 4-band resistor. Now we'll calculate the what is the value of this resistor. So first color is, so here the more which side is the more gap? From here to here same distance, from here to here same distance, but from here to here it's more distance. So that means this is right, this is left. So we have to start from left to right. The first color is red. So like what is the digit of red? Red 2. I put 2 here. Again red. Second color is red. So what? Red means 2. I put 2 here. So this is the last second. As I told you, the last second will be the multiplier. So what is the multiplier of brown? This is brown color. What is the multiplier of brown? 10 to the power 1. 10 to the power 1. And what is the tolerance of gold? 5%. So 5%. Now 22 into 10 to the power 1 means 10. Then 22 into 10 equal to 220 ohm. So now what is the 5% of 220 ohm? 5% of 220 ohm, 220 into 5 equal to divided by 111. So we can subtract the 11 from this value. Also we can add 11 to this value. So that is the meaning of tolerance. So after subtraction we are getting 209 ohm to 230 ohm this resistor. So we can use any value in between 209 ohm to 230 ohm. If you don't get the exact value in the market, it's not available in the market. So here I am considering one more example which has 5 band resistor. So resistor, it can be 3 band, 4 band, 5 band, 6 band, but we have to remember the process formula. Then after that we can calculate any resistor like 3 band, 4 band, 5 band, 6 band. The main thing is we have to remember the last one will be the tolerance and the last second will be the multiplier. So here, so the first color is red. So what is the digit of red? 2. I put 2 here. Second color is red. Again red means 2. I put 2 here. Third is black. Black means 0. I put 0 here. The last second is brown. Last second will always be the multiplier. So what is the multiplier of brown? 10 to the power 1. 10 to the power 1. And what is the tolerance of brown? 1%. Plus minus 1%. Now 10 to the power 1 is equal to 10 only. So 220 into 10 equal to 2200 ohm. You can calculate, you will get this value. But this number is large. It is more than 1000 ohm. So if it is more than 1000 ohm, we have to divide by 1000 so that it will convert to kilo ohm. So now we'll divide 2200 into 2200 divided by 1000 equal to 2.2. So means the value of this resistor is 2.2 kilo ohm with plus minus 1% tolerance. Now we'll find what is the value of 1% tolerance. So 1% of 2.2 into 1 equal to divided by 100, 0.022. So means we can subtract this value from this value, and also we can add 0.022 to this value. So after subtraction we are getting 2.178. After adding we are getting 2.378 kilo ohm. That means we can use any value between 2.171 kilo ohm to 2.378 kilo ohm if the exact value is not available in the market. Thank you.